Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So welcome to Aki Vlogs. My name is Saransh Singh and I'm an architect by profession. I keep making such videos on regular basis, so feel free to check out my other playlist also. And guys, this video specifically is for architects and architecture students who are planning to buy a laptop and in a good deal actually. So I will be talking about the configuration that you should go for, and no matter where you are around the world, you can go for these configuration because this configuration is available all across the world. Like even in India it's available, and in Canada also it's available. And the main topic of this video is Black Friday sale and the laptops that we can go for on this sale and which are available in actually good deal, because I have been eyeing on these laptops for a very long time. And in fact I have bought a laptop that I wanted from actually 1 year, and now it was available in a good deal, so I just got it. And that review video of that laptop will be coming on very soon, so stay tuned on my channel. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, go ahead, hit a like and subscribe to my channel guys. I need some support. And without any delays, let's get started with the video. So guys, first thing first, what kind of configuration you would need to set up a good working or work desk laptop that you can use for Lumion, that you can use for 3D Max rendering, or Twinmotion, or any software that is available for architects out there. So going from the basics, let's start with the processor. So processor, if you are into rendering and if you are into 3D softwares a lot, then go for i7 or Ryzen 7 processor. i7 11 generations is actually better than 10 generation, and yeah, don't go for 10 generation, just go for i7 11 generation or Ryzen 7 5th generation processors. These processors are really good and really can take heavy loads and heavy work. So yeah, go for these processors. Then your RAM should be at least 16 GB RAM. You should have hard disk, and that too solid state hard disk, that is SSD. Go for at least minimum 512 GB SSD drive. And the most important thing is dedicated graphic driver. So graphic card is a very important thing, and for architects like who are using Lumion, who are using Twinmotion, or any graphic intensive software, so go for a dedicated graphic card. And right now what is trending is third generation, or like you can go for 3050, 3060, 3070 or 3080. If your budget is like really amazing budget, like you can go for $3,500 laptop, so 3080 will be the best option. But if you want something in budget, 3050 is actually performing really well. And you guys can see the comparison videos also. There are a lot of comparison videos online and on YouTube, so go ahead and check those videos out. Like, these videos are not made by me, but there are videos that you can go and just check out, like for the comparison purpose. But go for at least 3050 GPU. So these will be the minimum specs that you should look for in a laptop. And let's not get into the details of things, but these are the general specifications that you should look for in a laptop. And guys, without any delays, let's start with what all laptops are available for Black Friday sale online and on Best Buy. And I have bought my laptop from Best Buy online because the laptop that I was looking for wasn't available in any store in Ontario at least. So the first laptop that I have in my list is Asus G14. This laptop comes with Ryzen 7 processor, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD and RTX 3050. And you can get this laptop for nearly around $1,500. If you get a good discount on Black Friday, go ahead. If this laptop drops below 1500, like, it is a good deal. So next laptop on my list is actually very powerful laptop, and I was personally eyeing on this laptop. This laptop you might get it for like $1,500 to $1,600. This laptop comes with i7 11 generation processor, 512 GB SSD. So this laptop comes with 3060 RTX graphic card. So a very powerful machine, and it has a 16 GB RAM also. So yeah, if you get this laptop, it's a good deal. And next laptop on my list is MSI GP76. It comes with Intel i7 processor, 11th generation, 512 GB SSD, 16 GB RAM, and RTX 3070 processor. But the cost of this laptop is the highest among all the laptops that I'm gonna show you. But guys, this laptop was actually for $2,500. Right now it is coming for around $2,200. So you are right away saving $300. And if you have a good budget, go for this laptop, because I wanted to buy this laptop. But yeah, due to budget issues, I wasn't able to. Next laptop on my list is Asus G17 laptop. This is one of my favorite laptops. I'm not a very great fan of LED lights and things like that, but this laptop looks gorgeous. I went into the Best Buy shop and I just saw this laptop, and it has a 17-inch screen. Really amazing laptop. This laptop comes with Ryzen 7 processor, 1 TB SSD, and RTX 3060 graphic card with 16 GB RAM. And you can even increase the RAM up to 32 GB, and more than that you don't need. So this laptop is actually bang on the specs. This laptop you might get it for $1,900. I have seen all the reviews, I have seen all the speculations and specs, specifications, performance of its cores, and this laptop's performance against the i7 processor laptop and even with 3070 laptop. So it's a really good laptop. Go ahead with it. Don't think much about it. And next laptop is in the budget category of Best Buy. So this laptop you can go for if you're not relying too much on your processors, because some softwares like 3D Max, they use a lot of processor. So they are more processor based than GPU based. So if you're not using 3D Max much, and if you're a Lumion person, then you can buy this laptop. This laptop is the cheapest of all. You can get this laptop for $1,300. This is MSI GF65. It comes with i5 10th generation processor, 512 GB SSD with 16 GB RAM, and guys, RTX 3060, and only for $1,300. I actually tried to search a lot of brands and a lot of laptops, but none of the brands were offering 3060 in 1,300 price tag. So yeah, this is one of the best deal. Only thing that you are compromising here is your processor. But again, if you are not using a very processor intensive software, like i5 11th generation can run your AutoCAD, SketchUp, Lumion and things like that, because I've seen laptops that are running Lumion pretty well with i5, and that too 8th generation. So this is 11th generation, and yeah, it can run your softwares pretty well. If you have a budget crunch, go for this. So finally I have bought a laptop, and soon I will be making a video on it. And guys, this laptop was in this entire list. You guys can guess what laptop I would have bought. So go ahead, see, and let me know which laptop I have bought. And guys, keep supporting, and if you have any kinds of doubt or queries or anything, go ahead, mention it in the description. And guys, for people who are watching this video from India, you guys can also look for all these laptops, because these laptops I saw on the Indian Amazon site. These laptops are available over there, and you guys can go for the similar specs, because obviously we are using similar softwares in all across the world, and all architects are using these softwares. So go ahead, check it out, and see in the description I have mentioned specifically for Indian people and Indian architects, like these are the laptops that are available online, so you guys can go and check those out. And for the people who are here in Canada, I have mentioned separately in the description, like you can go ahead and see these laptops. So yeah, I've tried my level best to cover everything, and I don't want to increase the length of this video. So guys, take care of yourself, keep supporting Archivlogs, and if you are here on my channel for the first time, go ahead, hit a subscribe and like my video guys. Take care, see you soon.